Brad Williams, XL Prime. Section 13.6, how to check if requirements A and B are true. This is similar to the OR statements that we talked about. We're just switching the and to the or, but there are big repercussions if the interpretation is wrong. We're looking at two conditions. If A and B are true, then the statement is true and to satisfy that requirement. Otherwise, it's false. So here we go to the and. If we look at the formula, here we have over here, if and B5, B6 is equal to, well, here we have the logical test. If a value or logical expression can be evaluated as true or false. So we're asking first and foremost, if this is true, then do something. If true, then put an X. If it's false, leave the cell empty. The and statement says the first conditional logical value to evaluate, and that is B5. That's the first condition we want to look at. Whatever we're looking for, and here it's B5, and it's asking, what's the first condition? Is B5 red? And it's asking another condition in D5. This is a multiple conditional formula. We're asking for two truths. And here it's asking if B5 is red and D5 is equal to small, put an X. Otherwise, put a blank. It's that simple. Don't go any further than that. That means it's true. If we go down and look at the next argument, and that is the same argument. If D6 is red, D6 is not red, it's green. And it's a false statement. There's no reason even to look at what's going on with F6. Let's go down again to a red. Well, here in cell D10, the argument is if D10 is equal to red. Well, that's true. But then the next argument is F10 small? No. So it's false, and we have a blank statement. We can go here to D13, and it says blue, and if we type in red, it'll be true. Both conditions have to be true to satisfy the first condition. Otherwise, it'll satisfy the second condition. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.